Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the BUTTR Yellow Dog Butt Plug. So let's get started. So this is the Yellow Dog Butt Plug itself, a very impressive sized bullet dildo. Now, because of its size, this is not recommended for beginners at all and is therefore recommended for advanced users or experts in anal play. Now, even the most advanced user will be challenged with this XXL butt plug. The total length is 25.5 centimeters, the insertion depth is 24 centimeters, the minimum diameter is 6.8 centimeters, and the maximum diameter is 9.5 centimeters. The bullet has a classic bullet shaped design and has a wide base that also serves as an extra strong suction cup, so you can place this on any flat smooth surface and enjoy hands-free stimulation too. It's also made of a soft and smooth material which will make penetration easier in combination with a good fisting lubricant. We can recommend to use the BUTTR Fist Gel, which is perfect in combination with silicone sex toys and latex condoms. The fisting gel itself is water-based, which makes it suitable to use with the silicone sex toy, and is soft, smooth and thicker, making penetration simple, easy and comfortable. You can also use a water-based lubricant or an anal-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. Please make sure to clean the butt plug after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water too. And that is the BUTTR Yellow Dog Butt Plug. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.